Good afternoon, dear students. As we have started a chapter of nationalism in India. तो नेशनलिज्म में आपका आज जो मैंने टॉपिक लिया है वो है सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, who was the great freedom fighter of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, he was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India, widely considered to be the architect of modern India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played an important role in the integration of all princely states, the princely states which were 565 states, especially Hyderabad and Junagadh and Kashmir, into the Indian Union after the British left India in 1947. He united all these states, 565 states, and these states were brought under the Indian Federation. As you know, dear students, at the time of independence, India was ruled by the Britishers, and then there were also the principal states which had their own kings or monarch. So when the British left India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel did a great job to bring these states into the Indian territories. Next, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played this important role for the integration of India. He was the first Deputy Prime Minister. He provided good governance as an administrator in different fields like modern farming and empowerment of tribal communities. He organized peasants from Kheda and Bardoli in Gujarat in non-violent and civil disobedience movement. Dear students, you know, at that time when non-cooperation movement, which was started by Mahatma Gandhi, in this the peasants of Gujarat, they have also taken part, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel helped these peasants because they were revolted against the taxes which were created by the Britishers. He also led the relief and rehabilitation operations when Gujarat was ravaged by floods. He is also remembered as the patron saint of India's civil servants for having established the modern All India Service System. The modern All India Service System was also organized by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The problem of Jammu and Kashmir may have been resolved long back had Sardar Patel been given free hand to handle it at that time. मैं आपको बता दूं, जो JNK को अभी वो किया गया, जैसे इसका रीऑर्गेनाइजेशन हो गया JNK का, तो अगर सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल को उस वक्त फ्री हैंड दिया जाता तो ये काम जो है उस वक्त सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल ने JNK की प्रॉब्लम को उसी वक्त सॉल्व कर देना था. पटेल was an ardent follower of Mahatma Gandhi. Although there were some differences, but Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel never cared about these. He always came into close to Mahatma Gandhi. He was his follower. There were some differences which he did not like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Similarly, he did not see eye to eye with Jawaharlal Nehru on certain issues. There were some certain issues in which Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel were not satisfied, but he did not allow these differences or personal. He did not allow these differences to come along with his ego, so that some disturbance may not be created in organizing. At that time country was in great problem. उसी वक्त तो ब्रिटिशर्स जो थे वो छोड़ के गए थे इंडिया को। तो उसी वक्त अगर जवाहरलाल नेहरू या गांधी या सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, इनमें आपस में थोड़े डिफरेंसेस हो जाते, क्योंकि कुछ ऐसी बातें थी विच वर नॉट in the interest of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. They wanted to create an independent, free India. He was the great patriotism feeling he has for his country. तो नेहरू को भी कुछ बातें थी ऐसी जो इनके साथ मेल नहीं खा रही थी, बट स्टिल सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल डिड नॉट अपोज एट दैट टाइम बिकॉज ही डिड नॉट कंसिडर द टाइम right time for this. Next, he was the Iron Man of India, was the chief architect of India's steel frame, the civil services. His love for motherland was best described by Maulana Azad when he said he made his choice out of two courses that came before a man, namely he would live for his country or for himself. Sardar Vallabhbhai chose his country. मतलब सरदार वल्लभ भाई ने कहा कि मैं जो भी करूँगा अपने कंट्री के लिए करूँगा। अगर मेरे किसी काम को हाँ या ना कहने से मेरे देश को हाँ कहने से मेरे देश को फ़ायदा होता है, मेरा कंट्री यूनाइटेड रहता है, तो मुझे उससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। एंड ही चूज हिज कंट्री। दैट वाज द पर्सनैलिटी ऑफ सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल। थैंक यू बच्चों, बाय।